Hello, my girlies or my boys, whoever it may concern. Let's learn together to romanticize your tech journey with me. See, I'm just being myself, a recent tech university graduate with an A who went from hating to code to falling in love with the process of debugging. Right now, I work as a freelance developer and I'm also in the process of getting a job at my dream company. So, I'm here to help you all to trust the process and keep pushing yourself from the first hello world to changing your world. So, these are the topics we'll discuss in this session. Topics that tech beginners are often curious about and confused by. What can be achieved in a tech career in 2024, 2025, and beyond? How to start or continue the tech journey? How can social and educational tech career life be balanced? Is tech all about coding? The very first question that comes to mind when choosing a career path in tech is what can be achieved through it in 2024, 2025, and beyond? Well, all the points mentioned are the facts that everyone tells when we choose tech as a career. But what I say is the first thing we all want in life and what everyone else wants too is financial independence and stability. And that's one of the biggest advantages of a tech career. You can land high paying jobs, do freelancing, become a mentor, or even an influential figure in tech. The opportunities are just endless. The second thing we want, or at least what I personally want, is to have a profession, a name, like being a software engineer, programmer, or a developer. Basically, to be recognized as a person with high skills and education. I know a lot of people think that in today's world, content creators on Instagram or YouTube are making great money, even from the cringe content. Oh god. So, we often feel like if it's all about the money game, we should just become content creators too. But no, that shouldn't be anyone's main goal. It can be a side hustle, but not the main focus. We need to prioritize learning, skills, and building a career and a reputation around that. Or even if you do want to be a content creator or influencer, start with your own field then. There are so many people, including me, on Instagram and YouTube who engage audience with tech content and stuff. But it should be a side hustle, not something that compromises your studies and main focus. If you want to have a tech career, then all your goals should revolve around the power of education, upgrading your skills, innovation, and more. That's why I am helping you all to start normalize studying. So, the next topic is how to start or continue the tech journey. Now, if you decided to build a career in tech or you're already on the journey and feeling confused about how to stay focused and keep learning new skills, I am here to help because been there, done that. See, you are not in a competition with anyone else but yourself. It doesn't matter if your friends are at an advanced level and you're still struggling at the beginner stage. I say, don't care about what anyone says or does. It's you who has to work for yourself, and it will be you who will be achieving success. So start with the basics to build a solid foundation, and that strong foundation will help you later to improve your problem solving skills. Start with the basics. Learn foundational programming languages like Python or Java. Understand the core concepts. Then explore the fields in tech that aligns with your interests and goals, whether it's web development, data science, AI, cybersecurity, or whatever suits you best. The next step is the most important one, and it's something many beginners either neglect or say they'll do later, which is building small projects side by side based on what you have learned. If you think you'll master programming just by watching tutorials, then my friend, you are very wrong. You have to apply the knowledge that you have gained from those tutorials. Like, start coding as you learn, create your own programs, even with the small topics. See, tech is a practical field. You can learn a skill, but you won't truly understand it unless you do it yourself. That's why starting with the small projects is so crucial. Then, after creating projects that showcase your skills and are presentable, build a portfolio. To highlight your accomplishments, it shows that you not only learned a skill but also applied it to create something valuable. Now, once your roots are established in your chosen tech field, it's time to grow your tree. Nourish it by deepening your knowledge, learning frameworks, and staying updated with the industry trends and emerging technologies. That's what will help you in the long run. Next thing is, if you are a student, you should definitely do at least one internship. Gaining practical experience with a company is really important in your early years, especially if you are aiming to become a software engineer or developer at a reputable company. You can also take on freelance work, contribute to open source projects, or do anything that gives you a real world experience and can be showcased as an accomplishment. Don't waste your time on things that won't add value to your career. Stay updated with the latest trends in your tech field, start networking with professionals, and join tech communities. Build a strong online presence by creating profiles on platforms like LinkedIn and even Instagram for tech related content and stuff. And lastly, this is an important point that often confuses beginners. They think a tech career is all about never ending studies. Well, yes, it kind of is, but it grows and evolves with you, just like we do as individuals. We all need something to keep us going in life, and in tech, that means upgrading your skills from time to time. But don't see it as something stressful. If you come this far in your tech journey, upgrading your skills should feel like a natural part of the process. Always keep a creative mindset and let growth be an exciting part of the journey. Now, let's talk about how to slay your tech career while still living your best life. Balancing it all is an art. First of all, try to manage your time wisely. This is really important. Use calendar apps to plan your day and make room for everything like work, studying, and chilling with your friends. Don't bother making a weekly timetable. Instead, plan your day each morning. Prioritize tasks based on what needs to be done and how much time you'll spend on each. This way, you'll know exactly what needs to be accomplished, and by the end of the day, you'll feel productive. Now, here's a pro move. Blend learning and socializing. You can join a coding study group or hit up tech meetups to network while leveling up your skills. But don't let work take over. Set clear boundaries. When it's study time, lock in. When it's personal time, unplug and enjoy. Take breaks too. Like, go for a quick walk, stretch, or grab a coffee to recharge. And speaking of recharging, make time for physical activities too. Whether it's hitting the gym, playing badminton, or just dancing, it's a vibe for your body and mind. Pair that with something that calms you, like journaling, reading, or falling asleep to a chill playlist. Then take time to schedule social time with your friends or family, a movie night, brunches, or just a call that makes you happy. Surround yourself with people who get your hustle because support is everything. And don't forget self care. Sleep like your future depends on it, and it does. Eat well and keep your mental health in check with meditation or deep breathing. Finally, celebrate your wins, whether it's smashing a deadline, learning a skill, or just surviving the week. Reward yourself with a treat or a weekend adventure. Life's not just about grinding, it's about thriving. Balance isn't a destination, it's a lifestyle. And you got this. And now comes the most asked question. Is tech all about coding? The answer is no. Tech isn't just about coding. Sure, coding's important for some roles, but the tech world is a way bigger than that. You got non-coding roles also like product management, where you are running the show for tech products, UI UX design, making apps look dope and easy to use, then tech sales marketing, selling tech like pro, data analysis, analyzing market trends, technical writing, explaining tech in simple English language, and IT support, fixing stuff and saving the day. Then there are hybrid roles also with some coding, like data science, where you mix code plus stats to make sense of data. Then DevOps, making sure coding plus system runs smoothly. and cybersecurity, protecting systems sometimes with code. Plus, there's a new wave stuff like AI, ethics, keeping AI in check, digital transformation, helping businesses level up with tech, and AR VR, which is so common nowadays, building cool, immersive experiences. So, yeah, tech's about solving problems, innovating, and making an impact. Coding just one way to do it. Now, to wrap up this session, I just want to say thanks for watching. If you want to normalize learning and enhancing your skills, then you have come to right place and learn how to romanticize your tech journey. Then subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next session to help you make your tech journey smoother and your dreams achievable. Wishing you all the success.